Welcome to channel. Today we explore finance ideas connected with furniture and how everyday choices in homes, offices and community spaces can shape financial outcomes in ways that are practical and easy to understand. Imagine walking into a room filled with chairs, tables and shelves. Each piece tells a story not only about design but also about cost, durability and long-term value. When we think about furniture, we often focus on comfort or style, but behind every decision there is a financial dimension that deserves attention. Furniture is more than wood, fabric or metal. It is a tool that influences spending patterns, maintenance costs and replacement cycles. When someone buys a sofa that lasts 10 years instead of 3, they reduce the need for frequent purchases, saving resources and time. This is a financial principle of durability. Choosing items that last longer reduces hidden expenses and creates stability in household budgets. Another important aspect is multifunctionality. A desk that can serve as both workspace and dining table reduces the need for multiple purchases. Multifunctional furniture is a financial strategy because it maximizes utility while minimizing expenditure. Every square foot of space becomes more valuable when furniture adapts to different needs. Consider the role of furniture in small businesses. A restaurant owner who selects chairs and tables that are easy to clean and maintain avoids high maintenance costs over time. This decision directly impacts profitability because less money is spent on repairs and replacements. Similarly, an office manager who chooses ergonomic chairs reduces health-related expenses for employees because better posture and comfort lead to fewer medical issues. Furniture also connects with energy efficiency. A well-designed layout with proper shelving and storage reduces clutter and improves airflow. This can lower cooling or heating expenses in a building. Financial benefits emerge from thoughtful arrangement and selection of furniture pieces that support efficient use of space. Customization is another financial angle. Many people think custom furniture is expensive, but in reality it can be a cost-saving measure. When tailored pieces fit perfectly into a space, they eliminate wasted corners and reduce the need for additional items. For example, a built-in wardrobe may cost more upfront but prevents the need for multiple smaller storage units over years. This is a financial calculation based on long-term savings. Furniture rental is a growing trend that reflects financial flexibility. Instead of buying outright, some households and businesses rent furniture for short periods. This reduces upfront costs and allows adaptation to changing needs without heavy financial commitment. It is a way to manage cash flow while still enjoying functional and stylish environments. Maintenance is a hidden financial factor. Regular cleaning, polishing and minor repairs extend the life of furniture and reduce replacement frequency. This is similar to preventive care in other areas. Small actions today prevent large expenses tomorrow. A family that maintains wooden dining tables with proper care avoids the cost of buying new ones every few years. Furniture choices also influence productivity and efficiency in workplaces. A comfortable chair and well-designed desk improve focus and reduce fatigue, leading to better performance. Higher productivity translates into financial gains for businesses because employees work more effectively and with fewer interruptions. In educational settings, furniture plays a financial role too. Durable desks and chairs reduce replacement costs for schools and universities, while flexible designs allow spaces to be used for multiple purposes, maximizing the value of every classroom investment. Sustainability is another financial dimension. Eco-friendly furniture made from recycled materials may seem costly at first but often comes with longer warranties and lower disposal expenses over time. Sustainable choices reduce waste management costs and align with long-term financial planning for households and organizations. Furniture also impacts resale value of properties. A home staged with quality furniture often sells faster and at higher prices because buyers perceive value in well-arranged spaces. This shows how furniture indirectly contributes to financial outcomes in real estate transactions. Even in personal life, furniture decisions affect financial well-being. A person who chooses a comfortable bed improves sleep quality. Better rest leads to improved health and reduced medical expenses over time. This is a financial benefit hidden within everyday furniture choices. To summarize, furniture is not just about aesthetics. It is a financial tool that influences durability, multifunctionality, efficiency, customization, rental, flexibility, maintenance, productivity, education, sustainability and property value. Every chair, table and shelf carries financial implications that shape the way households and businesses manage resources. By looking at furniture through a financial lens, we discover that smart choices create savings, stability and growth without needing complex strategies. It is about being mindful of durability, utility and long-term impact. Welcome to channel where we continue to explore how everyday objects like furniture connect with financial wisdom and practical living.